Number 1. 1984 GMC C15, price $8,800. This pickup is a solid project truck with plenty of potential. Showing 115,000 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission paired to a 350 engine, and it carries a clean Texas title. The truck features a short bed body style finished in gray, with some areas of paint peeling but no signs of rust. Although it has been parked for about a year and a half, the truck still runs well and remains mechanically sound. Inside, the cabin is in good condition, offering a clean and comfortable interior. With its dependable performance, classic design, and strong foundation, this GMC C15 stands out as a good running project truck that can be enjoyed as is or taken further with restoration. Number 2. 1982 Dodge D150, price $10,000. This truck has 79,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior are finished in tan, giving it a classic, uniform look. Powered by the original 318 V8 engine, the truck runs strong and is paired with a brand new transmission. The vehicle is in overall great shape, with only minor rust present. Although the air conditioning system was removed at some point, all the original lines remain, making it easy to reinstall if desired. The gas tank does have a small leak, but to keep it road ready, a fuel cell has been installed in the bed. This Dodge D150 is a solid classic pickup that blends durability with vintage appeal, making it a great option for someone looking for a reliable and character-filled truck. Number 3. 1974 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,850, powered by a 454 V8 paired with an automatic transmission and shows 162,910 original miles. It has had only 2 owners and runs and drives great, with a smooth, tight engine. Finished in blue inside and out, it runs on gasoline and retains its classic look with an updated 1980s facelift done by the previous owner using OEM parts. The interior was also professionally redone and remains in excellent condition, featuring power windows, locks, an OEM radio, and factory AC. Recent maintenance includes a complete new fuel system, new brake lines, pads, and rotors, a fresh tune-up, new starter, and new battery. The tires look nearly new but show some weather cracking. The camper has been on the truck since the late 1970s, adding vintage character. Overall, this truck combines originality, careful updates, and strong performance, making it a well-preserved classic. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1987 Ford Ranger, price $8,000, with approximately 155,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a reliable 2.9-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance both on and off the road. The truck features a fully functional 4-wheel drive system, making it versatile and capable in various driving conditions. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching burgundy interior, it comes equipped with desirable additions such as a topper, a working moonroof, and an AM/FM stereo. The vehicle also carries classic car plates, underscoring its status as a timeless pickup. With its vintage appeal and practical features, this Ranger offers both functionality and character for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 5. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This truck comes with 161,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It has a white exterior and a matching interior, and it runs on gasoline. The engine was replaced in September and now has only about 7,000 to 8,000 miles of use. Recently fitted with new tires and a fresh tune-up, the truck is in excellent mechanical condition and drives beautifully. Although it was previously used as a work truck, leaving it with some minor dents and scratches as well as light paint peeling on the hood, it still presents very well overall. Despite these cosmetic imperfections, it remains in great shape and delivers reliable performance. All paperwork is available, and the truck comes with a clean title. Number 6. 2000 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,995. This truck has 187,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It is finished in beige on both the exterior and interior, giving it a classic, uniform look. Powered by a 7.4L gasoline engine and configured as a 2WD, the truck offers plenty of strength for work or daily driving. The vehicle is fitted with like-new tires and alloy wheels, ensuring both durability and style. It also comes with fiberglass running boards for added convenience. Inside, the air conditioning blows cold, providing comfort in any weather. While not in perfect condition, it remains a solid, good running truck overall. The title is in hand, making it ready to go for its next owner. Number 7. 1995 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,500, equipped with a 6.5 turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and has accumulated 314,000 miles, with the mileage continuing to rise as it remains in regular use. Finished in gray both inside and out, the truck features power windows and locks, along with late-model tow mirrors that add to its practicality. It rides on Eagle alloy aluminum wheels fitted with 6 solid tires, ensuring dependable performance on the road. The vehicle is also equipped with an AM/FM/CD stereo system, and it recently received a new injection pump along with a fresh oil change, highlighting the care that has been put into its maintenance. A BW turnover ball further enhances its towing capability, making it well-suited for heavy-duty use. Despite the high mileage, it runs and drives great, offering reliable performance. The truck holds a clean Oklahoma title in the owner's name, ready for its next drive. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It has 173,000 miles on the odometer and comes with an automatic transmission, finished in a timeless gray exterior paired with a blue interior that still carries its classic late 80s charm. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a strong 350 engine that has been upgraded with a performance cam, aluminum heads, headers, and a dual exhaust system, giving it both a noticeable boost in power and a deep, throaty sound. Beyond its powertrain, the truck also features a C-notch kit and drop spindles, providing it with a lowered stance that enhances its aggressive appearance while maintaining drivability. Originally from Indiana, it stands out as a rust-free example. The truck runs and drives, though it could use a tune-up to unlock its full performance capability. Number 9. 1988 GMC 1500, price $4,800. This truck has 175,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 TBI paired with a 700R4 transmission, both of which perform smoothly without any leaks. The interior is well preserved, featuring an intact dashboard and seats that remain in good condition, aside from a single small tear. On the road, the suspension delivers a smooth ride with no unwanted vibrations, while the body shows only minor scratches and no significant dents. Overall, this truck remains in excellent condition for its age and comes with a clean title, making it a solid and reliable classic pickup. Number 10. 1983 Ford F-250, price $6,000. It has 124,000 miles on the odometer and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue both inside and out, the truck is powered by a strong-running 5.0L V8 engine paired with rear-wheel drive. It has been a California truck since new, which means it has avoided the major rust issues commonly found in vehicles of this age. Equipped with dual fuel tanks, it offers extended range for long drives or towing, making it both practical and reliable. The truck carries a clean title and is presented in solid driver condition, ready to be enjoyed on the road as it is, or taken to the next level with a restoration.